A lot of kids from my high school ended up going to OCU, so I heard about it pretty early on. And when I went to North Texas drama auditions, that was really on my radar. I was just so excited by the idea of the school. I had heard so many incredible things, and I looked into a lot of other schools, but this one seemed the most impressive. When I came to the school, I said that my main goal was to become a well-rounded designer. So I wanted to make sure that whatever school I picked, it gave you opportunities to learn all sorts of design fields, which has been really incredible learning how other people operate and how that contributes to the collaboration. And we take design classes, stitching classes, patterning and draping classes, costume history classes, costume craft classes, and you spend a semester on one specific thing and get very in-depth with it. So that way, by the end of it, you know exactly what you're doing. There is nothing more satisfying than seeing your work physically on a stage, and to look at a garment and know that about 20 different hands touched it is amazing. The collaboration process is just beautiful, and I love researching it and interacting with the technicians around me to figure out how to best put the colors and the silhouettes on stage in a way that'll be stunning. I just love it. And you get a chance to work on every single show. You learn a ton of different stitching techniques, and it's just really nice to see a show from start to finish from that end of the process. I work there about 10 hours a week and get to work on my own shows and other people's shows. To any high schoolers, the most important thing to me was that we were able to start immediately. I wasn't interested in other schools because you have to wait to get your basics out of the way before you can start working on your major, but here you get thrown in immediately with a majority of your classes are related to your major, and you get show assignments related to your major, and it just works so much faster and so much more efficiently than other schools. With each emphasis that you study in, costume construction, lighting one, stagecraft, you take a lab in it, which is a 2-hour class twice a week where you just work on the show. So for stagecraft, you work in the scenic shop and you help build the shows, and it's really incredible to work on it from that end. And it gives you a really good appreciation for each other's works, especially for actors to be able to work on the technical side, and then technicians take an acting class. It gives you a better understanding of what the people around you are really working on.